Hi guys, and welcome to this Filmora tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and zoom out into a video. So until now we have learned how to add this introduction, right? And this we have applied transitions, yes, and then this closing. Now right now we'll be learning how to zoom in and zoom out. So I just want to zoom between these two places, so we're going to keep this line here, and this is the split tool. I'm going to split here, then I'm going to just drag it a little bit. So once again I'm going to split it. So this is the area where we are going to zoom into our video. So I'm going to just click it here. So you have an option here called as crop and zoom, or the shortcut key will be Alt+C. So I'm going to just go inside. So you have two options here, crop and pan and zoom. Now we'll be looking at pan and zoom. I'm going to click it here. So when you go into zoom, you will have two windows. One is the start and another is this end. So you can keep this as window 1 and window 2. Now just watch me guys, how I'm going to zoom into the video. So when you want to zoom into the video, I want to take this small screen to the area where you want to zoom. So this is a lecture where I'm speaking, so I want the viewers to be zoomed into my face. I'm sorry guys, you have to just hold on your breath for some time. So we have this small screen and a big screen, that is the start region here and this end region here. So ratio is the original ratio. I'm not going to alter anything over here. So right now I'm going to press OK. Now I'm going to play this video from here. Let's see guys what happens now.
Door, and he took a great deal of effort in changing himself. He learned new things. He had got a great deal of new wisdom as a result of coming to understand about himself. So this also took some point of time in the life of this prince.
We have seen this. Now I'm going to teach you how to zoom out. So I'll just keep this, okay, I'll keep it here. Okay, once again I'm going to split. So I need another portion also. So I'm going to split here once again. So you're going to click on this region. So you can see it highlighted here, right, little bit. So go into this pan and zoom. Now in the last video for zooming in, we worked with this end video here. Right now we are going to just catch this. Now we are going to drag a little bit. So I'm going to keep this. Just note down guys what I'm doing here. So I made this video with this window a little bit bigger. Now the start video, I'm going to just put it inside, right? So okay, once again. So I think you can see what I did right now between the difference between zoom in and zoom out. Ratio is the same here. Once again I'm going to press OK. Now it's all fine. Now we'll go here and start playing. Now watch on guys.
So this great learned master smiled at him and told him, "My dear prince, still the wisdom or the knowledge of the world is not come into you. You need even to continue this journey further." So the prince was kind of very puzzled. He thought that he had learned the great wisdom of the world. So as per the instructions of this great master, he still continued his journey.
Thanks guys. I'm not going to do any zoom in and zoom out into this video. So I'm just going to press Ctrl Z after all this is undone. Anyhow, now you understood the difference or how to go into this zoom in and zoom out into the video. You can apply this effects into your video. Thanks a lot guys for watching this tutorial. I'm going to just meet you in the next one.